Christmas renter out into nature.
Yeah, Logan is loving it.
Out in the forest by ourselves. There are 3 ancient grave sites here, and some scattered around in the woods. Who was buried, I don't know, but it's a traditional Viking burial when they do it like this. So close to where I lived before, so we know the area, and it's a really nice place, and we are all by ourselves. Stine is feeding Loge with snow, apparently. So, yeah. Well then, these are the Christmas days, and we are home alone, almost. We got the dog, but otherwise, this house is like a barn. Yes. She's helping. We are sorting stuff for giveaway or to sell
to our family, or there's stuff everywhere. And holy shit, we have so much stuff. Yeah, but now the attic is totally empty, and almost the laundry room for giveaway things. And I have no idea what I'm doing.
Most of the books are for giveaway, and
But chairs are gone.
no chairs. They have been given away.
Yeah.
Just sorted out the dinghy. It has been sold. Yeah, sorry about the hairdo.
Yeah, and come on and see all the stuff. There's totally finished packing. This. Only this. Yeah.
But we have to say most of it is a giveaway or sell.
Yeah.
We don't have that much to
not at all.
To store. We also got a television.
Yeah.
We don't know what we should do with. Try to sell it maybe.
I actually think we give away more this time in other places when we are. What do you call it? We give away more stuff than ever before.
Yeah.
Because we know we only have a tiny space for all our stuff.
Yeah.
So a lot more we give away today.
Yeah. When I moved here, we sorted once.
Yeah.
But we got a whole house to fill, so that much sorting we didn't need. Now, no space on the boat, so we need to sort a lot.
Yeah.
So
And
we haven't discussed Stine's old water pipe yet.
water pipe. Actually, a little bit. I want to take it with us. Yeah. But yeah, it's not going out. And we're not gonna sell it or give it away. It's gonna be packed down in the box.
You're gonna save it?
Yeah, I am. Yes, I am. I'm not giving it away, and I'm not selling it. No way. I'm gonna pack it down.
Why?
No way I'm gonna give that away.
When are you ever gonna use it again?
You never know. It's great to have a water pipe. You never know when you're gonna use it. It was a gift.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not giving it away. It's my...
I feel you. I feel you.
No.
Will be continued. So, today we are prepping for going to the boat. She's ready also. It's not early in the morning anymore. It's Christmas time, almost.
Almost.
Time between Christmas and New Year. I'm gonna do some small stuff now we're on the heart. I check something up. I was working with ordering stuff yesterday.
Yeah.
So I need to follow up on some measurements and all that stuff.
Yeah, and today the... What do you call them? The pillow man?
Yeah, for the cushions.
Yeah.
It's coming by.
Yeah, that's gonna be so exciting. I'm looking forward to that.
Yep. So hopefully we can agree on something. We agreed on the payment for the lounge area, but we think we're gonna also take some new cushions in our cabin to get some new foam in it. Yeah. See you down there. So what are we doing now, my love?
Right now we just talked with the guy that's gonna make all our pillows for the sofa and where we are sleeping. We was the best solution was to make one piece instead of two pieces in the bedroom. So yeah, that's gonna be a little bit different to move around, but I think in the long run we're gonna love it more because they don't have, what do you call it? The piece in the middle?
The crack.
The crack. So yeah, I think that is the best solution. Right now I'm sitting learning the last part. I'm so tired and yeah, I'm gonna take the exam tomorrow, so yeah, I'm a little bit nervous because I have never done this before, not even close, not at all. At some of the lights and the signs, and yeah, it's totally new for me. And I have a learning disability, so it's a little bit harder for me to learn in normal. So yeah. Oh yeah, it's a long way to go, but tomorrow is break or fall. Actually, break and fall is the same, so I'm sorry. I'm so tired. Yeah. And let's hope the hard work is actually paid off, because yeah, I was so much have this over with, because yeah, I cannot take a week more of this. And every day in the last 14 days I wake up in the morning and I sit an hour or two learning it, and when I come home from work I'm back at it. So yeah, because I have to work in the weekends too right now, so yeah, I'm a little bit tired. Yeah, you can see that. Totally pumped for energy. So let's hope and this was enough to learn it. Nanas cannot help me that much because he's at work, and right now is totally busy at work.
So what are we doing today? Yesterday I took this with me home because it's winter and it's tough to work outside the boat at the moment. But this was easy to dismantle and take with me. So today, as you can see, now, this is no good. It's old and worn and stuff is loose. So I'm gonna take all the wood off, clean it, and then hopefully put it back together where it actually sticks, because it needs a bit of work. So, day 2. All prepped. The wood is dry, so now I'm gonna stick it and see how that goes. It's gonna be some fiddling to get it nice and even on this surface, but we'll have to see. I think it's gonna be good. And we continue. So now all the boards are stuck to the bench. Just need to refix the tape, and then we can start putting the black glue in the cracks to get it nice and tight again. So that's up for today. Let's hope it goes good. Look.
Planlægger du fest, eller har du noget at fejre? På Gaudium.dk finder du
Where did 17 go?
catering i særklasse, som giver rigtig glade gæster.
not enough. Really hard by the ocean, and all of those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take.
Thank you for watching this wave. If you want to help us in making these videos, don't forget to subscribe. Also check out our Patreon page to help us further, to continue making these videos and make our trip possible. Yeah, see you in the next wave.